tun truma hian class 12 accountancy issue of shares at premium ti kan zir don ani company hianin share hi aman pa ngain at per in an issue theia chu a face value in an issue thina bokana chuan adot le chuan at premium an tia chu aman pa ngai aya sang zo a face value hi cheng som lo ni se ta an premium a chuanin cheng som pahnin an issue a chuan hemi som pahni atanga cheng som ipai chuan cheng ni alo ni ta ni chu a premium alo ni na aman ai sanga share an issue alo ni na de ta ni chu accounting treatment a chuan securities premium ti in kan soi thina ni chuan tun troba hian question pakhat kan neyanga kan question chu P Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 at rupees 12 chu aman pa ngai chu cheng som ania cheng som panhin an issue don ti da ni chu chuan a premium chu rupees 2 ti na ani share pakhat zela cheng ni aman ai pa ngai ai tamin the amount was payable as under on application rupees 3 on allotment rupees 5 including premium on first and final call rupees 4 tini helai chi da jong khan share company na aman pa ngai aya sanga a hral chhuah hian a premium hi allotment a atel theia tin first and final call apo atel thei boka tin application apo atel thei ma se question ina atel da tur hun aron mention a khan treatment journal entry kan siam dan tur kha adang lambik don tina alo ni ta ni chuan hemi question big and the company did not make first and final call company chuan in hemi hi turin alatilo tina alani ta ni chuan all the shares were subscribed and amount duly received past necessary journal entries kan question azona kan ti tur ber chu journal entry P Limited tana pass hian itani accounting treatment a chuan accounting kan zir chuan keima ni kan zirlai hianin accountant a company accountant a anga kanin ngai khan thiam le hriat thiam all some big ani ti kha lo hretel taila a thome chuan journal entry kan pass don ta tunai journal entry line kan siama date particulars ledger folio debit credit anitani in the books of P Limited journal entries antia chuan shareholders prospect investor te le mi pui public khan kha share kha anron apply ta chu anron apply chuanin application le poisa kan dong don ta ri poisa kan don chuan bank kal tangin kan don nga ya chu heti hian kan journal entry kan pasang bank account debited to share application account ti in kan pasang chuanin engzat nge kan don avai in a share khan subscribe ti question in min pe a chu wan chuan 20,000 anita ni 20,000 chuan narration kan siamang hela hian narration chu kan soi to ang kan thil ti hemi journal entry kan pass kan sril fia nakha ani ti ria ila being share application money on 20,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share receive ti in kan daang chu ani chuan 3206 ani a 60,000 a step dot le chuan hemi share application hi share capital kan transfer ang share application account debited to share capital account. Transfer of share application to share capital account. Amount ain ang don ta ni hemi chuan. Chuan a second step, a second installment, allotment hianin securities premium atel thu kan ria. Chuanin information letters of allotment kan sia manga chuta chuan poisa kha ahun takaron peturin kan ria tir lega. Chumia chuanin journal entry kan block pass dan tu chu hetiang hian ani. Share allotment account debited to share capital account to securities premium. Allotment poisa ing zat nge an pek tur kan ti chuanin chenga ani chu share sing ni in kan multiply chuan noi khat alo nia chuanin share capital b ka hian poisa ing zat nge kan da tur kan ti chuan 5 minus 2 3 ti da ni chu share pakhat zela cheng thum kha man panga ya kan dang chu tian ni chuan premium big kha cheng ni ani kan ti to kha chu kan multiply le chuan 20,000 into 2 narration kan siamang being share allotment money on 40,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 per share, including premium made due kan tiang. Chuanin poisan pek huntur kan thil to an ron pele don ta an ron peta bank kal tlangin kan dong le don ta ni chu ti hian kan lo receive thungang bank account kan lo dongang bank kal tlang zelin bank account debited to share allotment chuan fello one lo vangin avain kan dong tina nia chu ti hian kan da ve thungang 1 lakh narration 2 being share allotment money receive tin kan dang ti hian hemi question b ka journal entry kan pastor a question in azo na ina azo chin chu kan zo thiat thiam dan all sam tur zirtirtan chuan helai hi receive ti in kan da thenga helai po hi transfer ti in kan da thenga helai hi due ti in kan da theya helai hi receive ti in kan da le thebok tiang khan a step kha hriat a all sam thei ta de date question in a pek lo wangin date kan ngai poi mo lo ni lovin hemi question in a pek lo chon zia tur om lo ti na anga ngai ta photila amaro chu hemi a step te kan hriat thiam theina tur khan hemi date kalama hianin pencilin emo mani hriat thiam thei dan tur khanin marking siamila ti chuan hriat thiam a all samin hriat bel a all sam bokani ti kha kan soitel du ani zo na pani na kan tile anga chumi kan zo na chu hetiang hi alo ni ta ni MZ Limited issued 50,000 shares of rupees 100 at rupees 120 per share, payable as under. On application, rupees 30, including premium, rupees 10. On allotment, rupees 5, including premium, rupees 10. On first and final call, rupees 40. Hemi question hian a premium 20 premium face value chu rupees 100 ani chuan an issue na chu 120 ani ta chuan cheng som ni chu a premium alo ni ta aman pa ngai ai san da chumbi chu installment application ale allotment a an sem sang ve ta mun tum nia pek turin cheng som nga pek turin hemi question bika chuan aron titani chuan applications were received for 50,000 shares. All the shares were subscribed and amount was paid except on 800 shares from allotment. Chuan a share zong zong kan issue khan subscribe ta. Chuan hemi a hian allotment atang hian cheng share zariat nei tu khanin poisa aron pekim talawa chu calls in areas omna turanita chuta chuan kan question ina min zober chu journal entry pass ula cash book siam book ro cash book a hian bank kalam chok siam ro ti kha min zona ni a chu tu na hian kan siam hmain question hi kan analyze ang question analysis kan nei ang claim te toite in chu issued share exam kan issued share singa kan issued applied exact nge apply run deal run leitum singa chuanin enge installment kha engting nge niang hei hi 30 plus 50 plus 40 ani helai hianin 10 kha engloin premium in omani ti kha kan sia ta tan a thawmbe chuanin kan adot le chuan calls in areas chu share zariat kha mi pakhatina subscribe de kha share zariat kha allotment apelova tin allotment apelo chuan first and final call po apedon taloni journal entry kan pass down ani chuan bank kal tangin poisa kan mu dona wangin bank account debited to share application account tin journal entry kan passa chuan 50,000 into 30 chu ama kan chhuah chuan 15 lakhs alo ditani 15 lakhs chuanin hemi journal entry hianin the ratio kan siama being share application money received on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 30 per share anitani chuan hemi share application hi share capital la kan transfer ang tin securities premium account kan hong thar bokang achan chu share kha premium ba pek khral chhuah ani wangin chu mi journal entries chu hemi hian anitani share application account debited to share capital account again to securities premium chuan a narration chu heti hian being share application transfer to share capital account chuan a next installment on allotment tia hianin cheng somnga ania premium chu cheng som ania share price man somnga hianin somli om tina alo ni tani chu kan pass vele ang journal entry heti hian journal entry kan pass ang share allotment account debited to share capital chuan securities premium to securities premium share allotment a chuanin nuai somhi panga kan lo buanga share capital la big chuan share capital la kan vada tur chu nuai somni ni chuan securities premium chu nuai nga ani narration chu being share allotment money on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 50 per share made due chuan poisa kan receive dona bank kal tlangin ma se acquisition in min thilangin mi pakhat shareholder pakhat khan cheng zariat apek hun tura aron pek lowa wang khanin chu calls in areas account alom don ta ani ti hian journal entry kan pass leang bank account debited calls in areas account debited to share allotment account kan tiang chuan bank account chuan poisa chu noi somni pali le singruk kan munga chuan calls in areas alo unpack im lo wangin 800 shares into 50 to 40,000 alo ni ta chuan narration kan siam leang being share allotment money received except on 800 shares ti in kan da leanga a last installment big kan englo leang ti hian journal entry kan pass leang share first and final call account debited to share capital account chuan hemia chuan 40 ania a installment hi chuan a share zat kha chu 50,000 ani kami kan multiply chuan nuai somni aloni tina aloni ta a chuanin narration hi being share first and final call money on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 40 per share made due chuan a last entry a chuan paisa kan receive ang an pekim lo tia kan hriat to kha an la pekim lo charchara chuwan chuanin calls in areas account kan maintain anga bank account debited calls in areas account debited to share first and final call account anita chuanin calls in areas hi kan chhuah masa anga chu share zariat an pelo kan ti kha heta polangai thowa 800 into 40 ni chuanin 32,000 ti na ni ta ni chuan 20 lakhs atanga 32,000 kan pai chuan 19,68,000 paisa kan mudon ti na ani ta ni adot le chuan cash book kan siam don a question in amin zo angin bank kalam chau kan tilang don ni chuan journal entry pakhat na kan en chuan bank account debited to share obligation account ani chuan bank account debited share obligation account antia chuan 15 lakhs chuan adot le bank lang na om le chu heta journal entry palina bank account debited to share allotment account chu 24,60,000 chuan adot le bank lolan le na en leira journal entry a bank account debited to share first and final call account te ni chuta chuanin bank share first and final call account chuta chuan paisa kan mu chu 19,68,000 alo ni ta ni 19,68,000 alo ni ta a chuan hei hi kan bel khomanga chuan helama hian balance carried down anda ge thunga kan bel khom chuan 59,28,000 alo ni a ti hian balance carried down kan siam ti hian hei hi tuna share kan an issue a company na paisa a mu zong zong alo ni ta ani fello an oma wangin aman kha akim thei talo ti da ani hemi a hian question dang le a chuan as that limited issued 30,000 shares of rupees 10 at rupees 14 chuan a premium chu rupees 4 ani tina aman ai san na chu aman pang ai san na chu chengli the amount was payable as follows anita on obligation rupees 4 on allotment rupees 7 including premium on first call rupees 3 ritani chuan obligations were received for 50,000 shares an issue zat ayatam obligations andong ta a company in achuang zong somni 20,000 shares achuang zong 20,000 shares kha directorin a reject a refund ta ni chumi achuan journal entry kan siam nan tur adang lam le dona adot le achuanin first and final call a hian mi zatni in share zatni kha bi pakhatin emo mi pathum emo mi share zatni kha pelo wan omta chumi chu treatment journal entry treatment kan ti dan tur kha adang lam le don ta inani question analysis question kan analyze lokang ti han issued 30,000 share kan issue zat share application kan don zat applied 50,000 chuanin excess a chuan na chu excess and rejected kan ti kha lang ta hian rejected chu 20,000 ani ta ni a installment chu 4 plus 7 plus 3 hela hianin 4 premium big om ti kha kan ria kan chin chianga calls in areas a oma chu unpack lo paisa unpack lo unakha first and final call ani share zani big a hian 200 shares at first and final call ting kan daang kan chin chiang ti khan hetia question kan han analyze hian a step te kan ti dan tur kha alo lang theia tin hriat chian ol sama ti swal om theilo ani journal entry kan pass don ani bank kal tlang hlirin poisa kan don awangin bank account ti in kan da lenga bank account debited to share antianga chuanin heta hian narration kan siam ang being share application money on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 4 per share receive the in narration kan dang ni chuanin 5 4s are 20 and ya 2 lakhs tina kan transfer liang ma se heta excess application money excess application ama chu directory na reject awangin chu poisa kan refund ngal don bok ani share application account debited to share capital account again to bank account tin zone entry kan pasang chuan narration chu being share application money transfer and rejected application money refunded share application account debited 2 lakhs anianga chuan share capital a hianin che rupees 4 into 30,000 ani ta ni chu 1,20,000 ani ta heta bank kan reject kan refund kha rupees 4 into 20,000 ani ve thunga chu 80,000 tina alo ni ta ni chuan next installment allotment kan lut leang journal entry kan pass leang share allotment account debited to share capital account again to securities premium premium kan issue wangin securities premium kha account kan hon tharanga ya a share allotment chu 7 into 30,000 chuan premium share capital chu 3 into 30,000 narration and siamanga being share allotment money on 30,000 shares at the rate of rupees 7 per share including premium made due chuan share allotment chu 7 into 30,000 dianga 2,10,000 anianga share capital chu 3 7 a khanin premium hi 4 ani wangin a share prangai man chu 3 ania 3 into 30,000 chu 90,000 ania to securities premium bi ka hianin 4 into 30,000 chu noi khat le sing ni tina halo ni ta ni tuna paisa kan dong vele don thung anga paisa kan mu tur chu 90,000 ania ma se calls in areas a unpack lo kha 600 ania wangin paisa kan mu ta ka chu 89,400 ani ta ni chuan a narration atan chuanin being share first call money received on 30,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share except on 200 shares tikhan narration kan siam le don tina ni chu tikhanin hemi big question a hemi ina zo na big chu tikhanin kan chang kim tina ani ta ni tun tum atan chuan tuna question pathum kan zira tang khan hemi issue of shares at premium ti a topic noya question om thei sang big azirna tan big hriat thiam theihna tur khop chu a oma khatiang ang question kha textbook ami emo mani in question in siam chopin number ti dang lamin tikhan journal entry passin chiang le zola thiam tur chuan practice nem anga yani ti kha kan hriat tan kan soibel bok ani lo me